Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to duplicate a informations of cells or copy the rows and the columns on the Google Sheets. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheet application, and now let's find out the documents that containing a information of the data. Okay, I already have one here. So if you can see, okay, I will take off this chart first. Okay, and now I already have the table here, the rows as well as the columns in the information here. So now I want to have a copy for this information. So the things that we have to do is just go block all of the cells from the product until the quantity list from the rows as well as from the columns as well as the rows. Okay, so after all of the information is blocked, you just need to go click it, and after that go click copy. And now you just need to click the specific cells that you want to paste or you want to have the duplicates of this information to. For example, I want to do that here, so you just need to go click the cells twice, and after that just go click paste. And now this information is already duplicated into the E and F columns. It will be the same if you want to copy this sales recap or the title of the documents, the title of the column, the table, by just click twice and then go click copy. And now you just need to choose the specific cells and go click twice and click paste. So that's all the way how to copy the columns as well as the rows on a Google Sheet. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.